Welcome to the Villas at Mountain View. My name is Helena and I'll be taking you on a tour of this beautiful Kildare in front of me. Let me just show you a little bit of the community before we step inside. Doing a little bit of a streetscape. We have some gorgeous villa homes in this community. Show you a little bit of the right hand side. This is an active adult community. We are located on Highway 92 in Woodstock. The community has been built by O'Dwyer Homes. O'Dwyer Homes has been in this area building homes for over 28 years. We are the only local builder to be Energy Star certified. This means that your home is not only healthy, but will also save you up to 20% on your utility bills. We are a professional certified home builder, and we have the highest standards in the industry. Let's step through the home. Notice the beautiful wooden front door. Here we have entered the home, and you will see that immediately we step inside into the living area, which is very large. Look at that gorgeous kitchen. I'm going to start at the front of the home and show you this bedroom, that is bedroom number 2. Quite large, plenty of light. And right next to this bedroom, you have a bathroom with a bathtub, a nice tall vanity. Notice all the tile and the tile inserts and the vanity top. As you step into the home, you have a closet, a coat closet. This home has plenty of storage because you know that's very important. Notice the trim, the wainscoting on the walls. This is the dining room area, and it's standard in our home, as is the carpet ceiling. This is the living area with a fireplace, again surrounded by plenty of windows, so there's lots of light. The kitchen is to die for. Even if you are not a chef or a cook, you will enjoy this very, very large kitchen. The island is enormous. It's got bookcases on both sides of the island. Cabinets are 42 inches tall. The appliances are standard. We have a double oven and a microwave. Look at that beautiful tile backsplash. I just love the granite. Isn't that granite just beautiful? The vein in this granite is just to die for. We have given the home some beautiful deep pot and pan drawers that are so popular today. There's a view into the master bedroom from this angle. And look at that. Isn't that great? A window over the sink. How many homes do you still see with that today? Located right next to the kitchen, we have got the laundry, which serves as a laundry and a mudroom coming straight off in from the garage. Of course, your kitchen has got a pantry, and your pantry is located here. It's a reach-in pantry. Plenty of space for your goods. We're now going to tour into the master bedroom. This home is in the 400s. Both our homes that we have left are in the 400s. The master bedroom is large, plenty of light coming through, lot of wall space that you can place furnishings on. This room is large enough to house a full king size bed. Through here, we are stepping into the beautiful master bath. Look at that tile work. Isn't that amazing tiles? I just love this tile. The veins in that are just beautiful. And I love the transom here because it gives so much light to this area. The vanities are sort of like a light gray color. Rectangular sinks are standard. And we are now stepping through into the walk-in shower. The walk-in shower is stepless, which is very safe for our active adult buyers. Each shower has got a little seat that you can sit upon. And if I swing around this way, you'll see that we have a little shower stand, little stand there that you can put your shampoos and things on. 2 shower heads, one that is fixed in the wall and the other that's on a wand. And again, a transom above, plenty of light coming through. This right, go up the shower here, and I'm going to pan and show you here we have the beautiful walk-in closet. Stepping back into the master bedroom and walking out through the entryway, again showing you this vast kitchen, living area and dining area. Just step outside a little bit and show you the back patio. Here we are. Huge undercover porch. Nice backyard. And pan over this way and come back under the covered porch area. Let's take a quick trip upstairs and I will show you the bedroom upstairs. We are going to swing up into the staircase area and up the stairs we go. Upstairs you will have the attic space, which is a walk-in attic. You do not have to bend and crawl in through anyway. Bedroom upstairs is a very large, big room for your guests. And I'm going to swing over this way and show you how large this guest bath is. Your guests will be so comfortable here, they will not want to leave. And I'm going to show you the storage areas that we have here. Stepping here, and look at that. We have our open cell foam insulation in the attic and at our villas. This keeps your home so comfortable. Temperatures here are constant. Step on outside. And back into the room. And this closet is huge. Very deep, very large. So you definitely have got plenty of space to store everything you need. Stepping back downstairs again. And down the stairs we go. And as I was saying, this is your HVAC area. And again, this is a great spot to see that open cell foam insulation that we install in the villa product. No bending down, changing filters. All right, I'm back down the stairs. Isn't that color of these engineered wood product, hardwood's just beautiful. What a lovely color. Everybody loves this color. And that completes our tour of this beautiful Kildare. My name is Helena, and you are welcome to reach out to us on our website at dwyerhomes.com, and we look forward to answering all the questions you may have, and we look forward to having you stop by and see the home in person.